Hello and welcome to Newegg TV. My name is Anthony and today we're going to be looking at the Senti Optimus Extreme Division mid-tower case. On the front you can see we have pictures of the red and a black version. Today with us we have the black version. On the side of the case we have some pictures of the top of the two and then the specs list here. On the back just some basic graphic design. And on the other side we have some more in-depth pictures of the features that it has. So let's get it open and see what we have. On the front, of course, we've got your power and reset buttons, card reader, 2 USB ports, your headphone and microphone jack, and a fan speed controller. We've got 3 5¼ bays. Now the top one is meant for an optical drive because it's got the fold down cover. So if you press the button, optical drive ejects. That folds down and folds right back up. Gives you a nice cover there. Underneath this mesh is a included 120mm fan. Let's take a look at the side real quick. Now we have this ventilating mesh here. Behind it is a 180mm fan. Going around to the back, we've got your I/O shield area. We have another built-in included 120mm fan. We have grommets for water cooling, 7 PCI expansion ports, and then bottom mounted power supply area. On this side, of course, just a nice glossy finished side panel. Now on top, we have a series of vents, and then over here behind this mesh is a built-in 120mm fan with blue LEDs. Going to the bottom now, we have a venting port with filter for an additional fan and for your power supply. Let's get a closer look inside. And then you can get a look at that 180mm fan. Of course, we find the user's manual. And then all of our wiring. Up here we have the toolless installation clips for your 5¼ bays. So put the bay in, twist the knob, locked into place. Right below that we have the installation bays for your 3.5-inch drives. They just slide right out like that. Now one of the unique features is these are vented and they do have holes on the inside for an 80mm fan to go in there to cool your drives. Also you'll see we have holes right here and here for 2.5-inch drive installation, and this on its own is a bit unique because in order to install the drive you don't need any mounting screws or anything like that. You just pop off the sides and grab your hard drive, drop it in there just like that, and the side pins on this hold the drive into place. And just like that, your new drive is installed. So coming back from there, we have, of course, a place to install another set of fans, either 100 or 120mm on the bottom. And then also the exhaust area for the power supply cooling fan. Coming around back, we have your quick releases for the PCI expansion slots. Push them in like that. They drop backwards. And you can remove that. You also get a better view of the 120mm fan at the back and the fan that's on the top as well. Now looking at the back plate, you'll notice we have a giant cutout for the CPU back plate. Also, there's some good space in there. You can get your hands back there for cable management. And one of the real nice things, which we don't see a whole lot, is a fully finished interior. That's also something I'd like to point out on this side as well. Because behind this fan here is some baffling for noise and for dust protection. So that's a real nice feature. We don't see that a lot. This has been our overview of the Senti Optimus Extreme Division case. My name is Anthony, and thank you for watching Newegg TV. We'll see you next time.